Hello guys, welcome to your own channel. I hope you are well. So guys, if you are also facing an issue while edit the post of your Facebook, you will see right now I try to edit the post of my Facebook and I will click on this three dot and you will see here is showing all options has available, but guys here is not showing any edit post. Yes guys, you will see pin post, save post, edit privacy, but here is not showing any edit post. So guys, I will show you in this video that how you can fix this issue in your iPhone, because guys right now this type of issue is running on the iOS devices on the Facebook application. But guys, I will show you in this video how you can fix and how you can use your Facebook with edit post option. Yes guys, you will see. So let's start without any further delay. Before starting this video guys, please make sure you subscribe this channel, because on this channel you will get only iPhone related videos, and also guys hit the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. So let's start on your main topic. So in order to guys fix this issue, firstly guys you have to go to the Apple Store and guys make sure you have to update your Facebook. Yes guys, simply you have to go to the Apple Store and right now you have to update your Facebook. And if you have updated your Facebook already, then guys I will show you second step. You can guys use your Facebook on the Safari browser. Yes guys, you can directly go to the Safari browser and you can guys use your like this Facebook on the, just hold on guys, you can use Facebook on the Safari browser. Just guys simply you have to log in your ID, Facebook ID, then guys you can easily use it. Okay, now third is guys how you can fix this issue. I have already given a link of our DNS application. Yes guys, if you will use a DNS application in your iPhone, if you will connect any DNS application in your iPhone, then guys this problem will be fixed. Yes guys, so now guys your question will be how we can download any DNS. So guys don't worry, I have already given a link of that DNS application in my comment box. Yes guys, you can directly download that application which I have given in the comment box. It is very easy and simple. So guys now I will show you that how you can download that DNS which I have already given in the comment box. After using that DNS application in your iPhone, you have to simply connect that application. Then guys after connecting that DNS, you will see guys your problem will be 101% fixed. So now let me explain that how you can download that DNS application which I have given in the comment box. So simply open the comment box of this video. Yes guys, so let me explain. For example guys, right now you are watching my this video. Simply guys you have to click on this one and click on Safari, and when you will click on the Safari guys, you have to wait and you will reach on this page, and I have given that link like DNS application link on this website. So simply guys you have to scroll down and you will get easily that application. You have to just simply guys download it and connect to your device. Then guys you will see, and yes guys you have to just connect this app just once time. Yes guys, after guys you can delete this permanent, okay, from your iPhone. Simply you have to scroll down, at the last you will get that download link. So guys when you will scroll down at the last, you will see download for iOS. Simply guys you have to tap on here, and when you will tap on here guys, you will reach on the Apple Store and you will have to download that application. So after downloading that application, you have to open that application and connect that DNS, and then guys you have to go to the Facebook application and log in your ID. Then guys it will 101% fix. So guys link in the comment box, go and use and fix it problem. Thanks for watching guys.